how to remove connected devices from your Samsung Smart TV. Now, once you're here on the main home screen, go ahead and select Settings, and from here, tap on All Settings. Now from here, go ahead and select Connections. From here, at the bottom, select Device Connection Manager. From here, go ahead and select Device List. Now, at the bottom, go ahead and tap on Edit. Now, choose a device you wish to remove. And then select Delete at the bottom. Now, on this pop-up, go ahead and select Yes. And with that, you will be able to delete connected devices from your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.